What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Deja, welcoming you back to Clockwise Crypto, where we bring you the latest crypto news and show you how to make money in the crypto space. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification to our channel so you're alerted every time we drop these videos, and we do them daily. All right, so on today's segment, we're going to talk about, have we been using Ethereum wrong? Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start off by looking at the crypto fear and greed meter. All right, so today it reads fear. Yesterday it read fear, and last week and last month it read extreme fear. So if you're new to this channel, pretty much this meter, when it's fear, it means that people are fearful of investing or putting their money in crypto. Now, when it's greed, it means everybody, not want to say everybody, but it's a lot of people investing their money and jumping in and, putting their money in the crypto market. Okay. I personally, when it's fear, I feel this is a great time to invest and build up your portfolio, because this is when the price of tokens or projects are super low, interest rates are low. So on crypto projects, shall I say. So this to me is a good time, and I wouldn't be fearful of it. And I do feel this is a good time for investors or everyday people to jump into the crypto market. Okay. So that's just what today it reads fear. All right. So jumping into our first segment or story today, it says top tier investors contribute to Struck's Finance 3.9 million round for DeFi focused structured products. All right. So DeFi, or decentralized finance, is an industry that's continuing to grow and evolve. All right. More complex products with customizable features are coming out now, including DeFi focused structured assets, which means you can invest in this space without having any worries about losing money because of the volatile nature. All right. Institutions are beginning to take notice of the growing demand for investment products. Now, for those that's not aware, structured vehicles refer to an indirect way of gaining exposure by investing in either common markets, which is like currencies or forex, or stocks, while exploring other options like cryptocurrencies through them as well. Now, derivatives are an excellent way to provide mainstream exposure without managing crypto assets. Now, these solutions have proven very popular in this regards, providing many investors and spectators with a chance for great rewards when they gamble on Bitcoin's price performance or other cryptocurrencies that may be issued through these contracts over time. Now, Struck Finance, the approach is a radical departure from the traditional structured products. Now, this new way of looking at things offers more options and varying levels of protection, all while maintaining an extremely competitive yield on digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum that are going up in value every day. Now, the global finance services from Struck Finance, they've secured 3.9 million in seed round funding from 24 top name companies, which some of the names they mentioned was Antlet and Arcanium Capital. So they can enhance its suite of tools for institutions who want a better suited products with greater composability. Now, structured finance is turning heads all over the world with its innovative approach to the blockchain and cryptocurrency investing. With decentralized finance valued at over 220 billion in total value locked up right now, there's plenty of room for exponential growth through DeFi-oriented structured products that show off this industry's versatility while also highlighting how well it works. Okay. So just keep your eye out on this. This is for my investors that want to invest and have their capital, protected while gaining at the same time. So keep an eye on them. All right. Now, our next story, we're going to talk about the mobile app called Dave. All right. So, this article reads mobile banking app Dave secures 100 million FTX investment to boost crypto presence. All right. So, Dave is the banking software that went public on NASDAQ 2 months ago, and it's stepping into the cryptocurrency ambitions following a $100 million investment from the crypto exchange FTX. Now, the company has now established an official relationship with West Rim Shear Services, which will allow them both to develop the digital asset economy further, as well as expanding into new markets such as trade finance and logistics. All right. Now, the exchange affiliate in the United States, which is FTX US, offers cryptocurrency trading as well as an NFT marketplace. Now, it also provides payment services via its own payment gateway called FTX Pay. Now, this year, the $2 million funds and exchange have been established by MIT graduate Sam Bankman Fried. All right. Now, simultaneously, they announced their first major funding round in history, a $4 million fundraising that values them at $32 billion. Okay. Now, Dave is a financial technology company established in the United States with over 6 million users. That's a lot. Now, it offers consumers an easy to use budgeting and credit building product, as well as cash advances for those who need them. Now, PayPal, they've been integrating cryptocurrency into services at a rapid pace, and they recently announced plans to create their own stablecoin. So that's pretty huge. Now, Venmo users are now able to earn cash back from their holdings of Bitcoin as well. Now, Dave's fourth quarter earnings call, heard by the CFO, Cal Bellman, says that the business may use proceeds from FTX to seek acquisitions. Now, he called this a very attractive component of our growth and capital allocation plan. So, FTX, they just announced a $100 million investment. Now, the company will use this money to finance its operations and give investors an opportunity for some quick returns with a 3% annual interest rates. Whoa. So, Dave's stocks, they closed up at about 4.85% and was trading nearly like 3% higher, likely due to the news that the mega investor Mark Cuban bought some shares of the DDA during the market session. All right. Now, the corporation also released their fourth quarter profits earlier this morning, which shows strong growth rates across all buckets. Okay. So, need to check out, if you haven't already, check out that app, Dave, because it's pretty cool. Has some pretty, especially if you want to fix your credit. I actually used this a couple of years back, and I really liked it. So just check it out. Also, like they said, they do payday advances. So if you're low on cash, check out Dave. All right. So now our next story is pretty much stating that this is not what Ethereum is built for, says Vitalik Buterin as he slams Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? So in this article, um, Vitalik Buterin, the brains behind Ethereum, is known for his strong opinions on matters related and unrelated to cryptocurrencies, to be honest with you. Now, recently he was featured in Time Magazine interview that had everyone buzzing all over the crypto land. All right. Now, the crypto space has been a buzz with a recent rise of the NFT tokens, right? More specifically, one project that's capturing everyone's attention is the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Now, Buterin isn't happy about how prices for these Bored Ape NFTs have been rising. He points out that they are only worth $3 million. But with so many people trying to invest in them, it's becoming more like gambling than investing wisely. Now, the hype surrounding the Bored Ape Yacht Club last week when Yuga Labs, the company behind this collection, launched its long-awaited ape coin collection. All right, now this is a cryptocurrency that underpins all of their other collections, and it made headlines because holders were giving $100,000 for just holding bored apes in their reserves. All right, so I don't know. I mean, me personally, the bored apes is actually, I mean, that's why you have all these projects. They're kind of like mimicking the bored ape yacht club NFTs. uh, but I mean, I kind of agree with Buterin. I kind of have to agree with him, just because I mean, I just feel it's just over. It's too much hype and it's oversaturated. I just don't feel it's worth as much as everybody's saying. But hey, who am I to tell people what to invest their money in? They like it, I love it. All right. So I digress. All right. So moving right along. Now, in our final story, it says Elon Musk shows excitement for the first Model Y deliveries by Giga Berlin. All right. So on this article talks about how Elon Musk seems so eager to start things today as he announced the first Model Y deliveries at Tesla Giga Berlin. Now, the CEO has been tweeting about this lately, and it's clear that there are many people who can't wait for their new vehicles. Now, Tesla Germany announced that Elon Musk would come at their mating delivery event. Now, he's confirmed his presence, but it's not really surprising considering how much involvement he had with the first Model 3 ceremony in China and an encore performance during Giga Berlin's grand opening celebration just last week. Now, it seems like a good moment for him to show up again, right? This time as one of many owners who are receiving their new cars. Now, Hildegard Müller, president of German Automation Industry Association, renovated Weisling's remarks and urged Germany's automakers not to hide from Tesla. The VDA president also said that her country's research efforts in the electric car sector would be successful this time around as they assisted define worldwide vehicle standards. Now, it's no wonder that Tesla would choose Grundenheim as their European headquarters. The German automotive industry has proven itself to be one of the most attractive in Europe. Now, the German government has announced that this year's inauguration ceremony will include Federal Chancellor Olaf Scholz and Environment Minister Robert Habeck. Okay, now Elon Musk, which is the CEO of Tesla, Giga Berlin, seems ready for action as well. All right, so well, can't wait to keep an eye out and look for those vehicles. Sorry, I got tongue tied. But that concludes our stories for today. I want to thank you guys for joining us. Please go ahead and like and share this video. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.